Motorcycle crashes, common types, how to avoid them, and what to do if a loved one has crashed on a motorcycle.
Hi everybody, and welcome back. I'm Bill Adler, and today we'll be discussing the topic of motorcycle crashes. While I've worked at Jim Adler and Associates, I've helped hundreds and hundreds of people recover the damages they need after their motorcycle crash. Did you know that there's many thousands of motorcycle injuries every year in the United States? And motorcycle crashes and deaths are on the rise. That's why I've chosen the topic to cover today, because it's so important to know what the different types of motorcycle crashes are, how to avoid them, and what to do if you or a loved one is involved in a motorcycle crash.
Motorcycle crashes can be devastating, not the least of which because people on motorcycles are so much less protected than people riding in cars. But with gas prices increasing and more people looking for a more eco-friendly and exciting transportation option, motorcycle usage isn't likely to be going away anytime soon. First, let's take a look at common types of motorcycle accidents. One of the most common types of motorcycle accidents occurs when a biker is making a left-hand turn and is hit by an oncoming car. Oftentimes, the driver of the car will say that he or she did not see the biker, as if he were invisible. Crashes can be caused by a wide variety of other factors as well, such as a car driver veering into a motorcyclist's path while not paying attention, poorly maintained roadways that include dangerous bumps and potholes that can easily throw a rider off their bike, and drunk or distracted car or truck drivers. Additionally, aside from severe brain and spinal injuries that result from collisions and crashes, many riders suffer other extreme injuries that are unique to motorcyclists, such as road rash and severe burns from exploding fuel tanks. While it's impossible to be completely protected from accidents while riding a motorcycle, just as that is an impossible guarantee for car and truck drivers, there are steps that you can take to protect yourself while riding your bike on the road. First, make sure every time you take your bike out on the road, you wear an appropriate helmet and highly rated, highly visible protective gear. This will help other motorists to see you better while also protecting you from road rash in the event of an accident. Second, don't speed excessively. Motorcyclists can often be seen zooming through traffic and past cars on highways, but traveling too fast lowers your ability to react in time to a danger, while also increasing the possibility of other drivers not seeing you or knowing you're around them. Which leads to the next point, which is to be hyper-aware of both yourself and everything going on around you. Make yourself visible and indicate intent to change lanes before doing so, as well as checking and double-checking before making any abrupt movements. Ultimately, by doing your best to stay visible and vigilant, you can take steps to keep yourself safer while riding your bike. Sometimes, however, even your best efforts at safety are not enough. If you or a loved one was in a motorcycle accident that caused severe injuries or even death, you should get in contact with a personal injury lawyer who has experience handling these types of cases. They can help you review the facts of your case and determine if you or your family member were the victim of negligence on the part of other drivers or road construction, or other factors that may have been involved. A good lawyer can help you to gain compensation for your injuries and suffering and will seek to hold accountable those who are responsible for your accident.
As you probably know by now, motorcycle crashes are dangerous and becoming increasingly common and are often very, very serious. And in the aftermath, it can be hard to know where to turn and who can help. Insurance companies, even your own, don't have your family's best interests at heart, so you need to find someone experienced and knowledgeable who you can trust, who will advocate on your behalf and help you navigate the critical next steps. If you have questions about this information or would like to discuss your case, you can get in touch with Jim Adler and Associates via the contact form at jimadler.com or by giving us a call at 800-567-7575.